So in the last class, we have discussed the different type of intra as well as intergenic interaction, right? And now we move to polygenic or quantitative inheritance. Again, I'm repeating that part. Polygenic or quantitative, polygenic or quantitative inheritance. So generally, polygenic inheritance মানে আমরা বলি if two or more gene involved in the quantitative inheritance of character, then they are called polygene. আজকে যখন কোনো একটা ক্যারেক্টারকে কন্ট্রোল করার জন্য two or more than two genes are involved, then that kind of inheritance is called polygenic inheritance. That means আমরা এখানে বলছি one character is controlled by more than two genes. One character controlled by more than two genes, right? So the effect of each gene contributing alleles are cumulative or additive. The first polygenic inheritance that was reported by scientists Nielsen and L in the kernel color of wheat that we know from the last class. But today we'll discuss the human skin color, and that is also the example of this polygenic or quantitative inheritance. So under this polygenic inheritance, our topic is human skin color. Human skin color. So please remember, this was first studied by scientist Davenport. Human skin color টা যে polygenic inheritance এর example, সেটা first scientist Davenport তিনি point out করলেন, and তিনি বললেন this human skin color is controlled by three genes, and we know that human skin color is caused by the melanin pigment. আজকে melanin pigment তার সিনথেসিসের উপর বেস করেই কিন্তু এই স্কিন কালারটা চেঞ্জ হয়। Davenport, right? Human skin color was reported by scientist Davenport. তো এই জায়গা থেকে এটার জন্য মেইনলি যে পিগমেন্টটা রেসপন্সিবল, দ্যাট ইজ মেলানিন পিগমেন্ট। বাট প্লিজ রিমেম্বার, এই যে মেলানিন পিগমেন্ট এর সিনথেসিসটা, তার কোয়ান্টিটিটা, কতটা পরিমাণ মেলানিন সিনথেসিস হবে, কতটা তার ইন্টিগ্রিটি থাকবে, সেটা কন্ট্রোল করে থ্রি পেয়ার অফ পলিজিন, and these genes are denoted as gene A, gene B, and gene C. Gene A, B, and C, right? So Davenport যখন এই ক্রস গুলো করলেন, তখন তিনি দুটো টাইপ অফ স্কিন কালারের ভ্যারাইটি নিলেন। নাম্বার 1, capital A, capital A, capital B, capital B, capital C, capital C. See, all the genes are dominant, isn't it? And that denotes very dark skin. That denotes very dark skin, right? And if the genes are in recessive trait, small a, small a, small b, and small c, that produce very light skin color. That means if the genes are recessive, melanin synthesis is very less, and that result in very light skin. Clear? So from this genotype, capital A, capital A, capital B, and capital C produce melanin, and due to this huge amount of melanin, they very dark skin produce, And if it is recessive condition, they produce less amount of melanin. As a result, very light skin formation take place. So if we cross in between these two traits, so from these genotype, capital A, capital B, capital C, this gamete will be produced, and from this small a, small b, small c, right? So now these two gametes fuse with each other and that result in capital A, capital B, small b, and capital C, small c. So this heterozygous form produce mulatto. These heterozygous genotype produce mulatto or intermediate skin, right? ना तो खूब fair complexion, ना तो dark complexion. So intermediate skin color এখানে produce হলো. So এদের যদি আমরা এখন cross করাই তাহলে এই genotypeটা থেকে how many gamete will be produced? Capital A, small a, capital B, small b, capital C, small c will produce how many gamete? Yes, very good, Abhishekta. 8 gamete will produce. How? You know, there are 3 heterozygote. This one, and this one. So from these 3 heterozygote condition, 2 to the power n, 2 to the power 3 means 8 gamete. So if we put that 8 gamete into the Punnett square, so all the total progeny will be 64 progeny, isn't it? 64 progeny will be produced after the selfing of these heterozygote condition. And from this 64 progeny, don't worry, আমাদের সেই ক্রসটা করতে হবে না. From this 64 progeny, please remember, they found that there are 7 types of phenotypic expression. There are 7 types of phenotypic expression, right? From the 64 progeny, by selfing, this 64 progeny will be produced, and 64 progeny that produce 7 phenotype, right? So let's see what are the phenotypic variety. Before starting that, please write down one question. What will be the এরকম একটা সাইডেলে what will be the color of human beings with the following genotype, and the genotypes are capital A, capital B, small c, the first genotype, small a, capital B, capital C, right? The third genotype, capital A, capital B, small b, capital C, small c. And the fourth genotype is small a, capital B, small b, capital C, Clear? Is there anyone who can tell me the phenotypic expression of this genotype? The second one is small a, capital B, capital C. Third one, capital A, small a, capital B, small b, capital C, small c, and the fourth one is small a, capital B, small b, capital C, capital C. Please tell me the phenotype of this fourth genotype. Is it possible? Is it possible? See, there are some short tricks. From this polygenic inheritance, this is a very common type of question in which they will provide that kind of genotype and they want the phenotype of this following genotype. For this, you have to remember 7 rules. Let's start the rules, and after that, you people are able to answer my question. So the first rule, please write down. Number 1, the first rule. If the genotype contains all 6 dominant polygene, if the genotype contains all 6 dominant polygene, right? So, if the genotype contains all 6 dominant polygene, please remember that produce very dark skin. Very dark skin, right? Now, rule number 2. If 5 dominant and 1 recessive gene, 5 dominant gene and 1 recessive gene, that will produce dark skin, that will produce dark skin. Clear? If the genotype contains 4 dominant gene and 2 recessive gene, 4টে dominant gene আর 2টো recessive gene যদিও থাকে, then it produce fairly dark skin. Fairly dark skin, right? Rule number 4. If the genotype contains 3 dominant and 3 recessive polygene, 3টে dominant gene আর 3টে recessive gene যদি থাকে, so then they will produce intermediate skin. Number 5, if the genotype contains 4 if the genotype contains 4 recessive gene and 2 dominant gene, then it produces fairly light skin. Fairly light skin, right? Number 6, if the genotype contains 5 recessive and 1 dominant gene, 5 recessive and 1 dominant gene, then it will produce light skin color. Light skin color. And number 7, if the genotype contains all 6 recessive polygene, all 6 recessive polygene, then it produces very light skin. they reproduce very light skin, right? So these are the 7 rules that helps to point out the phenotypic expression of the human skin color, right? So now you are able to answer my question. First, write down your answer in the chat box. From this genotype, what will be the phenotype of the each? Which one fairly dark skin? Okay. Yes, Pratiksha, Vishikta, right. The first genotype, capital A, capital A, capital B, capital B, small c, small c. So all the first 4 are the dominant and 2 recessive, right? So it produces fairly dark skin, right? Now move to the second one. Yes, Abhishekta, fairly dark skin. The third genotype, third and fourth, yes, it is intermediate. Clear? As the genotype contains 3 dominant and 3 recessive genes. Clear? So please remember, if we move to the individual segregation, from this rule, now we can say that there are 7 types of phenotypic expression of the skin color, isn't it? আমাদের স্কিন কালারে 7টা ভ্যারাইটি আছে, আর এই 7টা ভ্যারাইটির মধ্যে 3টে ভ্যারাইটি যাচ্ছে ফেয়ার স্কিনের, যাদেরকে আমরা বলছি ভেরি লাইট স্কিন and fairly light skin, right? ডার্ক স্কিনেরও 3টে ভ্যারাইটি এসেছে, ভেরি ডার্ক স্কিন and fairly dark skin, আর একটা ভ্যারাইটি তোরা পাচ্ছিস ইন্টারমিডিয়েটেড। সো এই যে ডেটাটা আমরা বলছি, তাহলে এই ডেটাতে টোটাল ফেনোটাইপিক এক্সপ্রেশন 7টা। and see, point out a very interesting fact. এই কারণেই বিভিন্ন যে ফেয়ারনেস ক্রিম গুলো, ফেয়ারনেস প্রোডাক্ট গুলো, সেখানে নিশ্চয়ই আমরা জানি there is a fairness scale, Fair and Lovely, one of the famous brand, and সেই যে ফেমাস ব্র্যান্ডে যে ফেয়ারনেস স্কেলটা থাকে, সেখানে দেখায় না যে ওই ফেয়ার এন্ড লাভলি মাখলে পরে 7 দিনে ফর্সা হয়ে যাবে। তো ওই যে 7 দিনে দেখবি সেখানে 7টা ডিফারেন্ট কালার শেড থাকে, রাইট? আর ওই যে 7 শেডস, দিস অল আর দ্য ভ্যারাইটি। ডার্ক স্কিনের 3টে ভ্যারাইটি, তারপর ইন্টারমিডিয়েট, এন্ড ফ্রম দিস আমাদের লাইট স্কিন বা ফেয়ার স্কিনে 3টে ভ্যারাইটি। ক্লিয়ার? সো তাহলে এই যে পলিজেনিক ইনগ্রিডিয়েন্টস হিউম্যান স্কিন কালারের, এই 64 প্রোজেনির মধ্যে কোনটা কত নাম্বারে রয়েছে সেটা একটু আমরা দেখে রাখি। লেটস সি দ্যাট পার্ট। তাহলে এই রুলটা আমাদের নিশ্চয়ই বোঝা গেছে। এন্ড দেখ, তাহলে আমরা বলছি from the checkerboard, very dark skin, out of 64